So today we're going to talk about the quality of eggs. Sometimes when you break this egg open, you see this darker, deep, rich orange color, and sometimes it's a pale yellow. What's the difference? Well, generally speaking, when you see the darker orange, it's usually from pasture-raised organic eggs. And the factory farm eggs are going to be yellow unless they add something to change the color, which sometimes they do. Now, the reason why the egg yolk is a deeper orange is that these chickens are pasture-raised, okay? Not pasteurized, pasture-raised. They're out in the pasture. They're eating the grass. They're eating the insects. They do have grains, but if you're getting the organic, it's at least GMO-free. And the combination of being outside, getting the sun, and what they eat change the composition of the carotenoids. Carotenoids are plant-based chemicals. They're pigments, they're antioxidants, they're phytonutrients that have additional health properties. There's about 1,100 different carotenoids, and they prevent the effects from oxidation. For example, they can improve macular degeneration, which is a problem in the eye. So when you see this deeper, rich orange color, you're getting more antioxidant. Versus the factory farm eggs, which you'll see in the label, it says vegetarian feed. Well, yeah, they're actually using grains, soy, corn. It's going to be GMO. There's no sun. So even if it says cage-free, they may be outside the cage, but they're still in the barn. So they rarely get to go outside. So because of that, you're going to see more of a pale yellow, a lighter yellow. Now, realize that even though it's pasture-raised, it may not always be orange. It could be yellow, but the color is a deeper, richer yellow. It's not going to be pale. All right. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.